Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. And last class we discussed about what do you mean by directing and what are the characteristics of the directing and what are the importance of the directing. And we will discuss now principles of directing. Now we are going to discuss about principles of directing. Directing means I already told. Directing means it is instructions given to the employee. Means who will give the instruction here? The manager will give the instruction to the employees for the purpose of to do the work effectively and efficiently. That is the main reason here they will direct it. Without directing, the company will not run effectively. Okay? Without directing, they will not run effectively. That is the main reason here directing. The manager will change in every company, but directing will not change. Why means directing is compulsory activity and continuous activity and innovative actions. Means it is the first begin action. Directing is first begin action and it is continuous process. Without directing, the employees will not work. Means first who will give direction here? The chairperson will give to the manager. The manager will give to the departmental. The departmental head will give to the supervisor. The supervisor will give to the employees. Like that, the information from the top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom, the information like this will flow. Without directing, the business we can't run effectively. Okay, mind it that one. Without directing means what it is? Instructions given to the employees is called as a directing. We will see what are the principles of the directing now. Employee maximum employee contribution. Maximum contribution of employees means what they will contribute here? The efforts will contribute here. Means the employee efforts, skills, qualifications. Okay? And next one is harmony of objectives. Harmony of objectives. I will explain this. It's not points. Okay? And unity of command. Unity of command and unity of command and appropriateness of employees. Appropriateness of employees Next is managerial communication. Next is managerial communication and use of informal organization. Informal organization, use of informal organization and leadership and last one is follow through. Follow through means based on the rules here. Okay, we will see here one by one. First is maximum contribution of employees. Maximum contribution of the employees means the employees what they will contribute means here they will contribute the efforts. What they will contribute here? The efforts. And every individual of the employees they contribute the efforts. Okay, they will contribute the efforts for the purpose of increasing the organizational performances. Why they are putting the efforts means here to increase the organizational performances. Every individual person's effort contribute the individual performances. Why they will put means if they will put skills, qualifications and knowledge, that time only they will get the profit, otherwise they will not get the profit. That is the main reason here. Means they will put the skills here, they will put the what are the knowledge they in that work, and if they don't know means what they will do. That is the main reason here. First here they have to put efforts in this organization. In every organization, every individual person they have to put the efforts, skills, qualifications, everything they have to put for the purpose of to increase the organizational performances, organizational profit, and to achieve the organizational objectives. How they will? Here the manager will convince the employees. How they will convince means to motivating. How they will convince means motivating, guiding, means cooperations with the employees. When they will cooperation with the employees, that time they will feel to work freely. When they will work freely means that time the efficiency and effectiveness and it will come. And here the directing they will untap the energy. Untapped means it is unclosed. Means if it is their skills in that employee, but he will not express that skills. Means that time they will motivate and even they will guide. They will be the guide. When they will guide means when the manager will guide, that time untapped skills means unclosed means tapped already. They have skills, but they will not show. They will not work. If it is there like that employees means that time they will motivate and guide to do the work effectively. When they will do the work effectively, that time the organization will give the rewards. Like that they will motivate. They will give the rewards. They will give the rewards and bonus, incentives. These are all facilities will give the organization. So you will do effectively. Like that the manager will motivate. That time they will work effectively here. Okay. Means what they will contribute here? The efforts for the purpose of increasing the organization performance. And next it is the harmony of the object. Harmony means it is pleasing the pleasing means it is satisfaction. Pleasing arrangement of thought. Means here satisfaction arrangement will do for workers. Satisfaction arrangement means comfortable zone they will create. For whom? For the workers. Who will create? The organization will create the comfortable zone for the workers. If they will comfortable to do work means that time they will work effectively, efficiently, and even they will motivate. If it is not comfortable that work means they will motivate. They will coordinate. Means some days you have to adjust. After that we will give comfortable zone only. Please do it this work. They will like that. They will convince. Like this they will coordinate. When they will convince the manager, if it is convinced means that time the employees will do effectively. If you will not convince, if you will not tell means they will leave that place. That is the main reason. But that employee have all skills, knowledge, skills, abilities, everything is there. But he is not comfortable that place. That time who will convince? The manager will convince. job for at least 6 months. After we will give the comfortable zone. Like that they will convince. If they will employ convince means they will do work effectively here. And unity of command. Yes, unity of command. Any person of the organization, they have to receive the instructions from one superior only. They have to take instructions from one superior. Who is the superior here? Superior, who is the superior is the chairperson. The chairman is superior here. Person, who is that person? The manager. The manager will take the instructions from only superior only. Only superior only. They will not take any instructions from any other person. Only they will take from superior only. Why they will take it from superior only means if the superior will give the instructions for manager means they have to take. Otherwise they will not take. Directive means that is. Directive means what it is? Instructions given to the employees. The manager also one of the employee here. Okay. The superior will give the instructions means they will follow. Otherwise they will not follow any rules and regulations. Means here superior is the one of the top management here. If you will give the work means they will do. Otherwise they will not do work anything in that organization. Okay. Who will give the command here? The superior will give the command. Only superior only give here. And appropriateness of the direction techniques. Yes, depends upon the situation. Depends upon the situation. The manager will use the techniques. They will use the techniques. Situation means what it is. If we will take one example, in any organization, in one organization, it is incomplete means more work is there. Means they have to produce per month. For 1 month, they have to produce 1000 units. But they are producing already for 1 month 900 units. Means this production will be mismatching, right? It is mismatching. So that time the manager will use the techniques. Means how they will use the techniques means they will appreciate the workers. They will appreciate and they will guide. They will motivate to do the work effectively. If you do work in this month 100 units, if you will finish this target means that time you will get rewards. We will pay the money, more money. Even we will give the incentives. Like that they will motivate the workers and they will convince the workers to do the work effectively. If the employees will convince means they will do work effectively. They will finish this target. Means they will appreciate the employees. When it is mismatching the target and producing, that time they will use the techniques. What are the techniques? Motivating, guidelines, coordinations. They will convince the people to do the work effectively here. Okay, they will use these are all techniques. Okay, and next it is managerial communication. Managerial communication in every organization, all the level of the organization, it should be managerial communication is perfect. The direction should be effective. Communication. What do you mean? Communication means here transferring the information one person to the another person clarity. One person to the another to clarity. Okay. Communication means it is the transferring the information or sending the information one person to the another person. One person means manager. Manager sending the information to the employees. Means it is clear conveyance. Means clearly convey the information to the manager to the employees. Clearly they will send it. Okay. Clear information. Communication means it is effective. The information should be to mention the sign means instructions, target, production, how much you have to do in this month and how you have to do work, and in this month what is the profit, what is the loss, if it is get any problem means how you have to do everything, and in notifications everything they will send to the manager. The manager have to be sent to the employees, otherwise they will tell to the employees. How have to tell means, if this already they have more work pressure. In every organization compulsory work pressure is more. In that only we have to reach more than 100 units. That time means they will not agree. Who will agree? No one will agree. Means already we are working work pressure, but they are giving more work pressure here. Means how you will work means they will not agree. That time the manager will convince. The manager will convince. The manager will motivate, and manager will guide the peoples. Means how means if we will do work means we will give the promotions. We will give the rewards. We will give the bonus. Like that they will motivate and they will reach the target here. Okay. Communications means clearly they will send the information to the manager to employees here. Okay. And next is use of informal organization. Use of informal organization means in every formal organization, within that informal organization also is there. Already you know about this. Means last classes we discussed it, right? Formal organization and informal organization difference. Formal organization, it is based on the rules, regulations, responsibilities. They are going to work here based on the rules, regulations, responsibilities. Based on that. Based on the rules, regulations, so they have to work here. Means in formal organization they don't have independent. Means if they will tell means they have to do. Otherwise they will not do. And even they are not give any creativity activities, new skills. They will not encourage for the creativity activities and new skills. But informal organization means it is always they will support the informal organization means creating activities, new skills development in the organization, and providing an independent. They want to take the manager if want to take the decision. That time they will give the independence also. Means independently they will take a decision here. Informal organization. But informal organization means it is they will based on the rules, regulations. We have to work. If they will tell, they have to do. They are not encouraging any new skills and any new creativities, innovation activities. They will not encourage. Based on the rules, regulations, they have to. Informal organization not like that. They will give the opportunity to do the new things, responsibilities, new things adapting, new technology adapting, and if you want to do the work with new methods, they will encourage it. Like that only they will use the informal organization. Always they will encourage for the informal organization. So here is formal organization means it is restrictions. Informal organization means they will give the independence here. So they will use the informal organization also here. Means like I told you, if you want to do effectively, if you will do the effectively work here, we will give whatever you want. Like that they will announce. Okay? If you do work effectively here, whatever you want, like a bonus we will give and salary we will give more, and if you want any occasion, they will provide everything here. Like that they will announce, convince the people to do the work effectively here. Okay? Like that they will convince. Means informal organization also they will use here. Okay? And leadership. Leadership means here it is main important thing for the manager, who is and coordinate with the people, friendly with the people. Means manager should know how to friendly with the employees. Means first they have to be know how to coordinate with the employees. If If he will know means he will coordinate effectively. Means when the manager have leadership qualities, that time their thing should be more effective. Otherwise, they will not. Means if here there is no unity, there is no group of unity here, there is no anything. Means like the time it will create rumors. Yes, it will create the rumors and politics resistance. Politics it will create within the employees only. So that is the main reason the manager should be good leadership quality. It's compulsory. They have to know how to coordinate with the peoples. Most times they have to coordinate with the people's friendly. They are coordinate with the friendly only. That is the main reason here. Good leadership, good leader in the organization they do the effectively. They will convince the people to do the work effectively and efficiently. If we don't know how to coordinate with the people, how to motivate the people means what will happen here? Means the work it is pending. The work it is pending means the superior will ask why it is work pending. Like that only problems will arise. That is the main reason. If manager have good leadership qualities and skilled person, development person, if it is there means in our organization, that time only we have to appoint that manager. That time only we have to appoint that person. If we don't have any leadership qualities and coordination means it is difficult to handle this leadership, difficult to handle the employees. Okay, if he is coordinating means that time leadership qualities here. If it is there as manager, they will do work effectively. If don't have coordination with the people means that time even the employees also not working effectively. Yes, employees also not work effectively here. If employees will not work effectively means what will happen here? The production will go down. So same it will happen. That is the main reason. Coordination it is most important and motivation also it is most important here. When the leadership qualities is there in the manager, he will do effectively. Otherwise, they will not do effectively here. If he friendly with the workers means they will do work effectively. Otherwise, they will not do here. And last one it is flow through. Flow through means the manager will give the direction. Yes, they will give the direction. It is not enough. It's not enough. Manager will give the direction to the employees. It's not enough. The manager have to observe. The manager have to observe and you have to take regular feedback and you have to check and if it is there any manager have to observe if they are working with the plan and objectives. Based on that we are already giving instructions to the employees. We are giving instruction based on that they are working or not. If it is any problem arises in that employees, for that employees, they have to check. Okay, and first they have to check reviews of the work, and after that they have to check here if it is they will working effectively, like based on their plan objectives they are following or not. And if it is quality product will be producing or not. If it is any problem arises in that direction, in that instructions, and in that department, they have to check. Which department they will check? In production department, they will check. If it is there any problem in that, means they will solve. If it is not there comfortable in that department means they will give the suitable modification and they will give the comfort zone for that for employees. If they will give the comfort zone and suitable modification they will give means they will work effectively, efficiently. That is the main reason managers should know how to coordinate with the peoples. Okay. Follow up means first they have to give the instructions and manager have to check if it is they are working based on the instruction or not. If it is problems arises or not. If it is problem arises means they have to solve. If it is not there in a comfortable zone there, they have to arrange that comfortable zone there, and they have to provide the suitable modification for the employees. If we will modify means the employees will happy to do the work here. Otherwise, they will not work effectively here. That is the main reason here they will follow through. I think all of you understand this one. So here minimum contribution to the employees. What they will contribute here? The efforts. The efforts contribute for the purpose of increasing the organizational performances. Why they are contributing the efforts and skills? For the purpose of increasing the individual performances. And harmony means it is pleasing, satisfaction and arrangement for the employees to do the work effectively and comfortably. Who will create? The manager will create here. And here unity of command means unity of command. Who is the unity of command here? Superior or chairman person is. If you give the instructions, they have to do. Otherwise, they will not do. Okay? And appropriateness of the direction techniques means here, based on the situation, they will appreciate the people. They will use the techniques. Okay? What are techniques they will use means motivation and guidance. And manageable communication. Manageable communication means here means perfect communication should be effective direction. Perfect communication should be effective direction. And use of informal organizations. Informal organizations means they will give the opportunity to do the work independently. If they will do independently means that time it is easy, right? That is the main reason they will give. Leadership qualities means the manager know how to coordinate with the people and how to handle the process. If they know means they will do work effectively. And flow means it's not sufficient. I think giving the instruction is not sufficient. They have to check whether working or not. They have to check. Next we will see elements of direction. Elements of direction we will see now. Direction and directing both are same. Okay? Elements of directing. What are the elements here? We will see. Okay? First is supervision, and next it is motivation. Next is motivation, and third one is leadership, and fourth one is communication. And these are all the elements of directing. And we will see one by one. Supervision means here it is the one of the element of the directing. It is the process as well as function performed by the supervisor. Who will perform here? The supervisor. Who will perform here? Supervisor. It is a process as well as function performed by the supervisor. Okay? Who will give the guidance? The manager will give the guide to the supervisor. The supervisor will give the instructions to the employees. Like that, the information will go to the one department to the another department. And motivation. Motivation means stimulating the people to do the work effectively. Stimulating the people to do the work and to achieve the objectives. Stimulating the peoples to do the work effectively. Means individual performances or organizational performances here. And leadership qualities means good coordination between the employees. Good coordination between the employees. Good coordination between when they have coordination between the employees means when the manager will coordinate effectively with the employees. Coordination, it is most important thing in every organization. If it is there, coordination means that time automatically easily run the business. Otherwise, it is not work effectively. And next, communication is already told communication. Communication means it is transferring the information one person to the another to effectively transferring the information. Transferring the information one person to another. One person to the another effectively. When it is communication, it is effective means clarity in communication. They will communicate with the manager to employees means that time direction is easily it will go. Means the manager they have to tell clear information they have to tell to the employees. Otherwise, no. If it is miscommunications, if it is arrest miscommunications means that time it will not. That is the main reason communication should be clarity. If the manager know how to communicate with the workers means it is very easy. Otherwise, it is too difficult to handle the employees. We will see one by one. Okay, we will see one by one. This supervision means what it is? It is a process as well as function performed by the superior. Who will perform here? The supervisor performing here. And motivation, it is stimulating the people to do the work effectively. Stimulating, encouraging the people to do the work effectively means it is leadership means when it is there leadership qualities means coordination. If they have coordination, if they will talk friendly with the workers means that time the work should be effective even the weekend. And transferring the information to the one person to the another person. We will see in detail in the next other classes. Okay, we will see one by one. Okay. Supervision. It is process of guiding the efforts of employee, guiding the efforts of employee and other resources to accomplish means what? Accomplishment achieve. Okay, accomplishment what? To achieve the desired goals or desired objectives. Desired objectives are goals is called as supervision. Supervision means is a process of guiding the efforts of the employees. Guiding. Who will guide here? The Okay, efforts of the employee. Efforts of the employee means here they have skills. Okay, the employees have skills, but they will not use. That time the supervisor will guide. Okay, they have skills, all skills they have, but they will not work effectively. That time the supervisor will give guidance. They will give the guidance, they will give the motivation to the employees. Okay, that time it is employees efforts will be increasing. Okay, and how they will increasing means other sources. Here the other sources means the supervisor will guide the employees. Means they already have skills, but they will not work. That time they will guide, they will motivate, they will come up, they will encourage to do the work. Means they will coordinate with the employees. If it is get any problems means who will solve? The supervisor will solve. For workers, okay, like that they will guide. If they will guide means the efforts will come up. When these efforts will come up means that time the work should be more effective here. And other sources means skills, knowledge, everything they will untap the energies in the workers. Untap the energies in the workers. Untap means unclosed. They will take the energies and skills to do the work effectively here. Accomplish means to achieve the desired goals. Means it is the progress. Who will do here? Supervisor will do. Super will guide the efforts of the employees. They already have skills, but they will not work. That time they will guide. That time and other resources, and they will guide the efforts and other sources to achieve the desired goals. Is called as a supervision. Supervision means it is the guiding the efforts of the employee to do the work effectively and efficiently. And supervision means it is the one of the element of the directing. It is the one of the element of the directing, and it is the process. It is a process as well as function, performed by supervisor. Means it is a process as well as function. Who will perform here? The supervisor will perform here. If it is any problem arises for workers means he will only solve, and he is a link between the management and workers. Okay, and he is the coordinator, and he is a motivator. He is encouraging the peoples, and he is give the instructions for the workers here. Okay, we will see what are the importance and how they will act in the organization. We will see what are the importance of the supervisor. Okay, we will discuss next class what are the importance of the supervisor, how they will do the work, and how they will what are the role they will do, and how they will coordinate with the employees. We will see in next class supervisor and motivations and leadership and communication, and we will see in the next class. I think all of you understood what discussed today. What we discussed means it is principles of directing and supervisor, and what are the elements of the directing means it is communication, leadership, supervisor, and it is directing. And next it is we will see what are the importance of supervisor in next class. Okay students, thank you.